you guys, and welcome back. We are in my sister's living room, and this is a quick look again at the before. In case you missed it, we are going to be making over this space, really not doing any major projects except for this fireplace that we grouted last week. If you missed it, I will link it down below. We just filled in a lot of those cracks. They were very deep and gave it a German schmear and changed it from such a stark white to something a little bit softer. And now we are going to start bringing in some of the elements that are going to completely transform this space. So I hope you'll subscribe and follow along.
All right, y'all, we got 4 baby toddlers here, 2 strong women, and 1 big couch. We're gonna move it downstairs. What rhymes? Look at that rhymes with underwear. We're gonna move it downstairs.
The other side. What? Found something from my. Can I see what it is? Can I see what it is? Oh, yeah, from the beginning.
Where's most of the weight? On the bottom? Most of it down the bottom? I think.
Whoa!
Let's see till we have to. Look.
So you are welcome, because that is just a little hint of how loud it is when we get together, and it is all good fun, but it is rambunctious boys that are very loud, and so this will most likely be muted for most of the video.
Oh, baby. Actually, here.
When I set out to make over my sister's living room, the first thing she said was, I would love to have the same couch as you. She has loved our Valencia theater sofa for years now. We've had ours, I think, for almost 2.5 years now, which is kind of crazy, but it is so beautiful and so comfortable. And so when I reached out to them and asked if we could partner together and they said yes, I was so thrilled, because they are the absolute best of the utmost quality.
Oh, rip it open. Do like the thing. Your couch.
If you've been here for a minute and you remember when I got my sofa, we actually have the artisan sofa. It's very similar, but just slight differences. And there are many different styles that you can choose from, but this one is actually called the Jasper, which I just think is so fun and so fitting. Now, I'm just telling my sister that you can see that this is written in Italian, because what I love about these sofas is that they are true artisan craftsmanship and they are made of real leather. They also have a solid wood base, which is why they come basically fully made, and the assembly is very easy. All you have to do is attach the legs, which are made of steel. So you can see here they are very simple, and these are very modern, which is more my sister's style, with a little bit of a mid-century look to them as well, which I love. If you missed it, I did pull the hardware out of the bottom of the sofa, so just know that when you buy yours, because yes, you should buy one of these sofas. They are so beautiful and so comfortable, such great quality. And then you just attach them like so. They come with their little wrench, and it's very easy. I like to kind of hand screw them on as best I can until I can get it all the way, and then I'll use that little piece to just tighten it. You don't want to over tighten these. And then for just a bit more support, there is this rod that goes right in the center, and same thing, you just find that hole and you just screw it right on, and it goes on very easily, super easy to twist and tighten, and you are ready to flip your sofa over. And then what I love as well is that once you get it into place, which you guys see here, we are 2 strong, capable women. You guys, you don't have to wait for your husband to come home to do this. Just call a friend and you guys are more than able to put your own sofa in your home. But you'll see there the little black patches on the back of the couch. Those are just some Velcro spots, and the pillows have them as well, so that they just stick on. And I just want to reiterate, guys, this is a 100% Italian Napa 11,000 top grain leather. It promises a premium and sophisticated aesthetic that exudes timeless elegance, which I truly believe. This is a sofa that you will have in your family for years to come. So comfortable, easily wipeable and washable, especially with little kids. And you might be shocked to learn this, it is actually pet-friendly leather. They design these with your beloved pets in mind, and their sofa features specially treated leather that's scratch resistant. which means that you can rest easy knowing that the specially crafted leather is designed to withstand even the most determined scratches, ensuring your sofa remains as pristine as the day you brought it home.
I mean, how beautiful is this sofa, which I obviously expected nothing less because I have one myself and it's superior quality. It has held up so beautifully and I know it's gonna be in our family forever. Same with Clara, so absolutely wonderful. Now, we are not ready to fully style this space, but I just kind of wanted to get an idea of like where we're headed and what we're thinking. So we really want to pull some natural colors as well as green, which is a natural color, into this space. And so Clara found these beautiful pillows. I love the little ruffle. I'll link them down below. And then this one, the zipper broke, but we will fix that. No big deal. She got this on like a discount site, no big deal. Anyways, so we're gonna pull some colors in here. And then as much as I want to center this couch on the wall because that just feels natural, fireplace opposite, unfortunately, is centered to the wall opposite, but it makes it awkward for this couch. So I kind of want to include it a little bit more into the conversation. So I'm actually thinking about putting the couch more this way, which gives us a larger gap. So we're going to try and find a pretty substantial table over here, or we could just do a coffee table with a plant to kind of fill that space in. We definitely want to add some artwork. We do obviously have the opening we're working with. Sorry, it's very echoey in here because we're missing the rug. The rug is coming. But on this side over here, we do have a little bit of space. I told her, I said, I think I want to pull the rug. It looks a little bit awkward for you guys, but trust me, it's going to make sense when you see the overall vision. Because right now, like the fireplace is lined up here. We're still not even, if we wanted to come center, I'd have to come out of frame. But anyways, I think if we put a small enough side table, maybe not this one specifically, but with a lamp, I think it's gonna be okay to walk in to the room. I hope you guys could see me when I did that. But it doesn't really cut off, like you still have ample room to walk. And so if we have the rug come out just enough, I just wanna, like I said, bring that fireplace more into the conversation. Look at me, I sound like an interior designer or something. I just feel like that's better. Whereas if I wanted to center this way, like it's completely like disregarding the fireplace. So anyway, so that's kind of where my thought is. We'll see when we actually have everything in here how it feels like with the artwork and with the other side table. But for now, I think that's good. But how beautiful is this couch, you guys? It's stunning. It's so smooth. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. And I love that, like, even though it is more of a modern couch, like it's still, I feel like this would fit in so many different homes. It's so stunning. I think she has a blanket. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, a little bit more of the sneak peek of where we're headed. Again, this is like the vibe. Gorgeous, beautiful. That's actually gonna go on that side, but all together, so sorry. I decided just to extend it anymore. Do it, no, do it. Okay. But all together, like this just sums up. It's so beautiful, especially with the couch. That looks so good. And then this blanket we love. Might be a little heavy for spring, but how cute. This is so cozy. It's so cozy. So I don't know if she hasn't opened it yet. So anyways, but like, look, you guys, we are so gonna have so much fun playing around in this room. That was my sister trying to sneak by. Anyways, but we're gonna have so much fun playing. Look at this palette, you guys. It is such a great starting point. I'm so excited to bring more life into this home because she has so much life. She has 3 little boys, but I'm excited to bring like the beauty into it, right? Like she has such a perfect blank slate. So we're gonna keep it minimal because that's what she loves, but at the same time, just bringing in just the comfort of home, the beauty of home. And that's what I love about Valencia theater seating because it does all of that, bringing in the beauty and comfort of home in a sofa. Love that, love that. So anyways, that's where we're headed. You guys, how beautiful is this couch? It's like butter. It's so stunning. Again, this is the Jasper from Valencia theater seating. Absolutely beautiful. It looks so wonderful in this space. I love their sofas because they are such a statement piece without overwhelming the room. I feel like they work very well in the space that they're in, but also being so beautiful and standalone on their own. So you guys know how I have it in my living room. I don't know, I just feel like it's just such a stunning piece, but it still works cohesively with all the other elements. And so this will do the same here. It's absolutely beautiful. You walk in and it looks beautiful and luxurious, but it still looks welcoming and comfortable. And it is so comfortable, you guys. I don't know if Claire's gonna be able to kick me out of here, but oh my goodness, thank you again so much to Valencia Theater Seating for working with me again. I love their company. Absolutely beautiful craftsmanship, beautiful styles of sofas. I will link them down below for you. This couch specifically, the Jasper, as well as the one that I have. So beautiful, love them so much. I love that my sister loved mine so much. We've had it for 2.5 years and she loved it so much that she was like, I need one in my home. I said, you absolutely do. So again, I'm so happy to partner with them. Wonderful company, wonderful customer service, craftsmanship, all of the above, and just a wonderful sofa in general. So beautiful. So this is just the beginning though of this makeover. So make sure you come back because you're gonna be able to see this completely styled. We're gonna do side tables, lamps, rug, other chairs, tables, all of the things, and it's gonna feel even cozier and more like home. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you next Sunday at 2 p.m. Bye guys. I'm just gonna take a little nap. Oh yeah, that's good. No, like I could actually fall asleep though.